True riches. Luke 12 verse 15 says, "Beware, guard against every kind of greed. Life is not measured by how much you own." It is a great way, it's a great opportunity to enjoy the luxuries that money can buy or that can provide. As long as you don't lose sight of the irreplaceable things that money cannot buy. Pwede natin mabili yung mga bagay sa mundo dahil sa pera. At yung pera, pwede talaga tayong mapasaya, pwede tayong ma-provide ng comfort at yung mga needs natin. But what good is a fancy house if it lacks the essence of home? Or an expensive ring if love is missing? We need to focus on eternal values like relationship, love, faith, because these are things that will last forever. Money offers comfort, but give more value to what it cannot buy.